para siyang lumalabas na pagka-Ryan Bang niya. May pagka-Ryan Bang siya kasi mag-best friend nga silang dalawa. Yun.
Now, this is a tough question for Devon. Who among the guys mentioned earlier is the most good-looking for you?
Crap. Ako na lang. Ako na lang.
Ikaw ang pinakagwapo sa kanila.
Ako yung pinakagwapo sa kanila eh. Wow. Hindi, sila naman. Mga
Kaya mo yan?
mga susunod na Piolo, Dieter, sila. Ay, wala. Wala akong
So, if you're
kasi
gonna
iba-iba
compare-
naman kasi yung
If you're gonna compare James to a heartthrob, certified heartthrob like Piolo, Jericho, Samuel D, who do you think James is most, kamukha or close with? Yung itsura? Or yung aura niya, yung personality?
Ako, Samuel B.
Why
Yun
Samuel
naman.
D?
Kasi maybe because dahil sa English. Ayun, kasi nakikita siya, lalo na kapag tumutugtog siya. Kasi nakikita ko siya, lagi ko nga sinasabi sa kanya na kapag natuto siya mag-Tagalog, pwede niya siya maging next Samuel.
Samuel B has a big body. James is on his way to having
Ayun,
that
sa
kind of body.
physical naman sa It's getting there na daw.
He's getting there na. Oo, nakita ko kanina. Sa mga chatters ngayon, nakita ko kanina, mainit kayo. Malaki na kanyang braso.
I'm wearing a sandal underneath. I can take it off.
Yeah, Here's the next question from Amy. What's the sweetest thing that you did for each other? Why are you laughing?
Sweetest thing.
Wala namang ginawa to eh.
Arana. Even though
That's
that's not
a
real.
GB.
It's not real.
Out sa GB. Ano kasi? Wala namang ginawa to talaga.
Well, you too.
Uy, ako! Marami akong ginawa.
What? Like what? Name one.
Mamaya ka na, ikaw muna
Or name
sumagot.
one. You have one. What? Devon James. G is first. You go first.
Hindi, ikaw muna. Ladies first. Hindi na, ikaw muna.
So there's
Be gentleman,
There's
good.
many sweet things you've done for me. So yeah, what name one of them?
Nagmamassage kayo ako sa'yo.
Oh, me too. There you go.
Wait, excuse me. Kapag nag-aano siya, nag-aas siya ng massage.
Yeah.
For like 2 hours ako nagmamassage sa kanya.
After I
Siya
massage
2
her.
minutes or mga less than 5 minutes. Sabi niya, tired na. Gumaganon siya. Yun, equivalent sa kanya ng 2 hours. 5 minutes.
That's the sweetest thing.
Massage?
Massage.
That's like, okay. Oo, marami okay.
That's lame, man. What?
Ano ba? Ikaw nga. Sumagot ako isa.
I went to our house with a big thing of flowers. And I asked her to watch a movie with me. Is that right?
Ayaw maniwala ni Devon. Ayaw mo mag-agree.
Go ahead yung ano ko. Paikot.
Your turn, Devon.
Dude, she went first, right?
Hmm?
She went first, right?
Ako naman, sa totoo, hindi talaga ako marunong magluto. So, specialty ko lang rice. Pinagluto ko siya. Lalo na nung nagkasakit siya.
This was inside the PBB house.
What did you make me? Toast?
Toast!
What?
Excuse me. Nag-ano kaya ako ng soup sa'yo? Gusto mo sabunin kita dyan? Hindi, yun. Hindi talaga ako marunong, so parang nag-made up na lang ako. Pero nagustuhan niya.
How sure are you that he liked what you made for him?
Inubos niya, naghahanap pa siya ng iba.
Yeah, I loved it.
Then he went to the comfort room.
We Pwede nga.
That's why I love you.
Kaya,
This is, the next question is from Aloha Javon. And the question is, despite your own differences, what makes you two so comfortable with each other?
Differences? What differences?
I don't know.
Um,
ano?
what differences?
Even though you're two different people, like I think James, you usually go out, right? And then the one. What are the let's rephrase the question. What are the things, even though you're different in some other ways, what are the things that you enjoy doing together?
I don't know, she loves playing computer games. She's, I don't want to say one of the boys, but I guess that's why. I don't know, just good friend. Really likes playing computer games. A lot of guys do.
And the phone.
Ako? Ano ba?
Ano yung mga gusto mong ginagawa mo with James? Activities, anything.
Bungee jumping.
Alayo mo naman. Wala na. Kahit ano naman yung pinaggagawa namin, wala na akong isip. Oo. Kahit ano na, kung ano lang yung nakikita namin, pinagtitipan namin.
Okay. Here's a question from James Reed number 1. Okay. James, since we've heard that you go to the gym, are you also into sports?
Sports. In Australia I was, but here no, not so much. I still do swimming all the time, but it's not much of a sport.
But what are the sports that you want to try?
That I want to try.
Yeah.
I've done a lot of sports. When I was a kid, I go to a different sport every year. I keep changing. Like, soccer to Australian football, even golf, the gymnastics, and diving. Yeah, I did a lot of weird sports. Like, my dad pushed me into a lot of different things. I was pretty good at most of them, but I never really stuck to one thing. But at the moment, there are no sports that I really enjoy playing now.
Okay. This one is from Helenisa. Devon, how do you maintain your beautiful skin? What's your beauty
Ay!
secret?
Beauty secret. Punta kayo kay Dr. 6M. Wala ako. Yun. Wala naman ako. Ano na siguro, wala akong masyadong iniisip. And,
Just lucky.
lagi lang akong, happy lang ako lagi. Kaya siguro, joke. Uy. Naku, huwag ka naman salita. Yun.
A question from Happy Teen. What kind of roles do you want to play in the future?
Action.
Ako din.
Like action roles.
Action movie. Parang,
Gun, explosions.
gusto ko
jumping
yung,
off
like,
buildings.
yung parang, ano nga yun? Underworld? O,
Vampire.
Vampire.
The World. Tapos,
Galing I could say.
oo, tapos gusto ko yung like, maala, Angelina Jolie, yung